I'm an addict for sneakers.
Alright, here we go. Here's what they look like on feet. Be outside, man. The weather's crazy right now in New York. This bitch Sandy's throwing it down on us right now. Sneakers look sick on feet. Really happy to have these. That back is just nuts. The back is so tough, right? Leave your comments, so let me know what you guys think of these. Let me know if you picked up any of the Queston releases that Reebok hit us with this year so far. And I'm about to get up out of here, man. Pequeño Wine's in the building. Pequeño Wine. Let me hit you with that bird's eye view real quick. Burp, 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 bird's eye view.